It's your girl, Kimmy K504. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Kimmy K504.
Good morning, y'all. So, excuse my voice. I just woke up, and today we're gonna be making cookies. So, that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some salt, some vanilla, some flour. You're gonna need baking soda. You're gonna need some eggs, sugar, a measuring cup, brown sugar. You're gonna need some morsels, chocolate morsels, some butter, your measuring utensils. You're gonna need like a little cookie scoop. That's the little things to go for the cake mix. You're gonna need some parchment paper. Did I say butter? And you're gonna need like 2 containers, and that's the pan I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put the parchment paper on top. So it's gonna be a quick little video. I just woke up, so I just want to start making this video. So you're gonna preheat your oven to 375. And so the first step you're gonna do, you're gonna take 2 cups and 2 1/4 cups of flour, and you're gonna take a teaspoon of baking soda and salt, and you're gonna put that in a bowl. So I'm about to show y'all right quick. Okay, so you're gonna take the 2 1/4 cup of flour. You might got a little bit. See, 2 1/4 cup. That's about that much. So you're gonna put that in a bowl. Then you're gonna take, this is a 1/2 teaspoon, so I need 1. So I'm gonna have to do 2 of these, and I'm gonna have to just put it, that's 1, and then 2, and I'm gonna have to do 2 things, fill this up with salt. So I'll be right back. I gotta do this on camera. So now that that's done, just gonna take that and put this over to the side. Then the next step is start with your wet mix. You're gonna take your butter, and I'm gonna melt the 2 sticks of butter. Alright, y'all, so this is the melted butter. So we're gonna start by adding the sugar. You need 3/4 cup of sugar, regular sugar and brown sugar. So we're gonna take, I got a 1/4 thing, so I'm gonna do this 3 times. So there's gonna be 1, and it's gonna be 2, and it's gonna be 3. So next, for the brown sugar, you have to, it's a technique that my mother taught me. You have to pack it. I'm filming off my phone because my thing died. My camera died, and I forgot to charge it last night. So when it comes down to the brown sugar, you can't just scoop it and just pour it in there. You have to pack it, meaning you gotta like pat it down until it becomes like, like this. But I gotta add more. So I'm trying to show y'all. 1. I'm gonna do the other 2 off camera. So that's the technique. It gotta look like that. So then after I add that, I'm gonna go ahead on and add the tablespoon of the vanilla extract. I gotta do 2 of these because it's a 1/2 tablespoon. A 1/2 teaspoon. I'm sorry, it's a 1/2 teaspoon. Then I'm gonna go ahead on and add my eggs. My eggs are just sitting over there. Okay, so their recipe, Nestle, will say whip it until it get creamy and stuff, but you're not gonna do that. So I put all the ingredients in there together. They'll show that, add the eggs in there gradually. I tried to follow their recipe. They said whip it till it be creamy, and the shit was a fail. It was like cake mix. It wasn't like cookie dough. So you would have to mix this up really fast. So I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so you gotta mix the stuff up really fast. That's the trick to it. And so you have to do that. It's like different little techniques and everything. So what you're gonna have to do is gradually pour in the flour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. You pour some flour in there. And then you gotta mix it in that fast. Then you gotta gradually add some more, because it's gonna be like cookie dough. I'm trying to film this on my phone, y'all, so y'all gotta bear with me, because I ain't charged my phone. I mean, charged my battery. You're gonna be having stuff everywhere, but so you see how it's getting thick? So I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest. Depending on how. So it's getting thick. So I'm gonna show y'all. Let me finish doing this off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it till the flour just mix in there, and see how thick it is. It look like cookie dough. So you don't want to mix it till it be like creamy, cause like, let me see, do they have the recipe on the back of this? But yeah, they tell you to mix it till they get creamy and all that. No, like I was following the directions, but it was like an epic fail for me. All right, so I got a little bit of this, so I'm just gonna pour that in. So my what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to just fold it in there, like mix it. So I'm about to add some more. All right, so I added some stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it on in there. See, it's so thick. So that's how you make cookies, y'all. You just, you know, fold it on in there. I have all the measurements and everything in the description box for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead on and I'm gonna add some more chocolates in here after because they say you gotta stir it in here. You just do it however you want to do it. It's your cookies at the end of the day. You gotta eat it. I damn near put the whole pack in there, like majority of the pack in there. So I put like a whole lot. So that's damn near one pack, because I use some. Yeah, that's damn near one pack of this, and this is this 1 pound and 7 ounces. So that's about damn near a pound of these that be in one thing of cookies. So that's enough. I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna mix that up. So I'm gonna come back when I got everything set up, so it's time to do the cookies. So I'll be right back. All right, so the next step is we're gonna take the cookie scoop and we're just gonna scoop, and then we're gonna just put it onto the thing. Take the cookie scoop, and we're gonna put it right there. And then, take the cookie scoop. So I'm gonna show y'all. So you just put it like that. Cookie scoop. So what you're gonna do is set a timer for like 11 minutes. And then you're gonna put them in the oven. Put them in the oven first. Then start. And bam, I'll be right back. Alright, so it's been 11 minutes and these are the cookies. So I'm gonna be doing different batches and I'm gonna let you know how many cookies this make at the end. So that's how you make cookies, and stay tuned, I'm about to show y'all the end. Alright, batch number 2 going into the oven. Set the timer for 11 minutes. Go ahead and put it in the oven like that. And press on. Ooh, nice. This how they look in the oven. Put them in the container because these going to mommy house. Yes. Alright, y'all. So excuse my face. I'm about to try one of the cookies that I made off on camera. Now I woke up like this. I'm gonna just try it. It's so good. So good. All right. So I am officially done making cookies. Oh my God. I got the last 5 in there. So I made a total of 45 cookies. I got some right here, some right here, right here, right here, and I ate 2. So using this method with this ice cream scooper, yes, you'll make 45 cookies out this whole recipe that I made. So I hope y'all all enjoy watching this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. See y'all later.